Hello. This short video is going to go through the workflows available on Fixflo Essential and Fixflo Professional. You can carry out end-to-end management of maintenance issues on Fixflo. The workflows sit on the Next Steps tab of an issue. On any reported issue, there are 5 workflows available. 1. Request landlord advice. This allows you to send the issue to the landlord before you start progressing the issue with a contractor. You can provide advice to the landlord, and they can then let you know what action they would like you to take. 2. Instruct Works. This is where you can instruct the works to one contractor and one contractor only. If you have a multitask job and you would like to instruct the job to more than one contractor, you will need to click on the Actions button and click on Duplicate Issue. This will create a carbon copy of the job, although it will not copy over any of the comments. You will then have one job to instruct to one contractor and another job to instruct to another. 3. Request quotations. Here you can ask for quotes from multiple contractors before you award the job. Contractors can provide more than one quote. Once the quotes have come in, you have 3 options. You can either send the quote on to a landlord for approval, you can send the quote on to an external user for approval, or you can award the job to the contractor of your choice. 4. Allocate to landlord. This workflow treats the landlord like the contractor and instructs the job to them. They will progress the job and mark it as complete, but there will be no invoice submitted. 5. Allocate to external user. If you would like to instruct the works to someone else, you can choose this workflow. An example of an external user would be an insurance company or a local council. If you select this workflow, then everything will be progressed using the Comments tab. I hope this has given you a good understanding of the workflows available on Fixflo. For more information, please watch the videos on each workflow or check out an article. Thank you for watching.